In this short video, we're going to be going over the steps to set up a folder of images in the playlist template. So first, we're going to add a presentation, and we are going to search for a playlist template. This guide will work with any of the playlist templates in the template library. For this example, I'm just going to use the base one, the playlist full screen. Next, in our base components, we are going to select the playlist component. We are going to select add, and we are going to select folder of images and videos. I'm going to upload a folder for this example. This will also save in your storage section. Next, make sure you set how long you'd like each image to show. By default, it's 10 seconds. If you did have any videos in your folder, you can select the video volume, and you could add a transition between each item in this drop-down menu here. Make sure to publish the changes and add to a schedule.